what the language is here. I didn't come over here to have... So you're the apologist for the Obama... Excuse me. God forbid.
Madam Speaker, I'm not an apologist.
Obama.
I'm asking you serious questions because so many people are in desperate need right now.
I have no idea. There's the language. Yo, Kana, Ro Kana. Now she's insulting her own members. Yo, Kana, Ro Kana, be lovely. But they're not negotiating this. They have no idea the particulars. They have no idea what the language is here. And I didn't come over here. So you're the apologist for the Obama. Excuse me, God forbid. Madam Speaker, both Blitzer trying to get control here. Thank God for Barack Obama. She stepped in and everybody booing Obama. And Blitzer tries to regain control. I'm not an apologist. I'm asking you serious questions. Because so many people are hurting. Well, see, I'm saying to you that if we, and they're in desperate need right now, she goes on to lecture Blitzer that she knows more about people suffering than all the rest of us do.
I don't think that
Why not call him and say, Mr. President, let's work out a deal. It's not going to be everything you want. Not going to be everything I want. But there are so many Americans right now who are in desperate need. Let's make a deal.
What makes me amused, if it weren't so sad, is how you all think that you know more about the suffering of the American people than those of us who are elected by them to represent them at that table.
This is amazing. So she jealous? You get jealous of Wolf, but you don't know anything about what I do. You don't know about suffering. You have the slightest idea of suffering. People don't elect you. People elect me because they suffer. I'm the guy. I'm the woman that talks about their suffering, not you. Holy smokes, is this woman insecure or what? That's what you're hearing here. What you are hearing, rampant insecurity. Here is one more. This is the kicker before we have to go to the break.
He's not that important, but let me say this. With all due respect, and you know we've known each other a long time, you really don't know what you're talking about. To do a service to the issue and have some level of respect for the people who have worked on these issues, have a little respect for the fact that we know something about these subjects. But again, you've been on JAG defending the administration all this time with no knowledge of the difference between our two bills, and I thank you for giving me the opportunity to say that to you in person.
And we'll leave it on that note. Thank you so much for joining us.
Even on the vote that you are not right on this walk, and I'd hate to say that to you.
And it's not about me, it's about millions of Americans. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for your sensitivity to our constituents' needs.
I am sensitive to them because I see them on the street begging for food, begging for money. Madam Speaker, thank you so much.
Have you fed them? We feed them.
Please. Have you fed him? We do. We feed him. No, you don't. What do you mean you feed him? She said, we're the ones that give him the money, not you, Blitzer. You don't give him anything. You give him jack. We give him food. We give him money. That's what she thinks. Well, I know. They won't give him a toilet. They're pooping all over San Francisco. You need a map to avoid the poop piles. Human. Anyway, back to it earlier. But does that sound like a woman who knows for certain she's on the verge of a massive landslide presidential victory? She will not do this deal because she doesn't want Donald Trump to get credit for it. Why does that matter? If they're on the road here to a massive landslide win, then this deal would be enough to change that direction. But she can't see it. She cannot. She's not going to do anything that'll result in Donald Trump getting credit for a single thing regarding the relief of any human suffering. Doesn't sound like a woman to me who thinks her party is on the verge of winning everything in Washington.
The most powerful name in talk radio, Rush, on the EIB network. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
During such a turbulent period, it's critical to pay attention to your financial health. What can you do today to guarantee a healthy financial future? Well, if you're a homeowner, the solution may be as simple as a mortgage refinance. Jonathan Payne from American Financing is here to explain.
Thanks so much for having me back, Larry. It's important for homeowners to understand that a refinance can mean a lower mortgage payment monthly, but it also means the potential for tens of thousands of dollars money should be kept in your bank account, not wasted on interest.
I couldn't agree more, Jonathan. Now, tell me, who is it that can benefit from a lower interest rate?
With mortgage rates near record lows, there are millions of homeowners who can save some serious money on interest. This includes people who bought a home or refinanced within the last 3 years, people who may have seen an increase in their credit score, and people who have a mortgage rate.
Turning mattress a million Americans.
Got COVID. Suck it up. Like, we love adversity. We love that chip on our shoulder.
You choose your loan.
Reliable connection.
Right now at 94.8.
Right things inside. I think it's gotten off campus. I think it had more to do. You're just going straight to coward. I think the guy would.